It is Nimio who takes it. Went for the near post in the end, away by Maya, who read it well. Chawang. It is Guivao. Good ball in. Malaysia Singh got a shoulder to it by the looks of it. Blast! Wonderful strike from the number 17 from outside the box. And Meiphung finally get the lead. Wonderful goal, wonderful technique from the number 17, Bless Bashum, who scores his first goal of the season for Meiphung. And what a time to score his first goal. Jeremy in for Sawabe. Yashim. Jahanring, his first touch of the ball since coming on. Jahanring up against Yatot. Jahanring goes past Yatot. And it is just at the edge of the box. So it's a free kick rather get one on the counter to take this to extra time. We will see a second goal here from Meiphung. It is Bless, who went straight for goal over the crossbar. And Julian is not happy with the fact that the number 17 went straight for goal instead of looking for the cross in. Yashim was mighty overlapping run here. Yashim gets past by Tim. Yashim took the shot on the left back. And in the end it was just inches of target. By Tim away. Sawami plays it back to Guivao. Guivao for Bless. And Bless down to Sochan. Sochan with a cut back. Jahanring so close to making it 2. But the flag was up and the final whistle has also been blown. Meiphung for the second season running qualified for the WFL Cup final. Thanks to a wonderful strike from Bless Bashum midway into the second half.